When to find LCM? How can you decide that in this question we are finding the least common multiple? What are the hints that tell you that you have to find LCM in this question? There are so many doubts regarding LCM and HCF. So let us clear all this in this video by taking a word problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to The Boring Teacher. Let us take one example where we can find the LCM and what are the hints that suggest you that you have to find the least common multiple in the given question. Let's see. Okay, so the first question that you see here is a shopkeeper sells candles in packets of 12 and candle stands in packets of 8. What is the least number of candles and candle stands a person should buy so that there will be one candle for each candle stand? So by looking at the question, frankly telling, even I get confused. Okay, so when to find LCM or HCF, how to decide that? For that, I have a hint. Let's look at the word LCM, the least common multiple, right? The word you have to focus on is least. The given hint in this is least. Okay, least, what are the other synonyms that can be used instead of least? It can be minimum, it can be smallest. So when you are solving these kind of word problems, you have to look out for these kind of words. Okay, minimum, smallest, least itself, and lowest it can be. Okay, so these are the words that gives you the hint that we have to find LCM in this question. Okay, so let us read our question and let's try to find out the hint that we are looking for. Okay, the question says what is the least number of candles? So I see the word least. There I get my hint that I have to find the least common multiple of 12 and 8 in this question. Right, now you can solve it using any of the methods. For example, the listing methods, where you list down the multiples of 12. It can be starting with 12 times 1, then 24 and 36 and 48, and it goes on because multiples are infinite. There's no end to multiples. And then we can write the multiples of 8, that is 8, 16, 24, 32, and it goes on. Now what we are finding is the least common multiple. So if you look at the list of the multiples that we have made here, I see that 24 is the first common multiple in both the lists of 12 as well as of 8. That means 24 is our answer, right? That is the least, the first common multiple. That means the least common multiple in both. Okay, so LCM in this case would be 24. Even if you can use the prime factorization or division method, that is also fine. Let me show you. 12, 8, it is kind of a combination of prime factorization and division method. Now look at both the numbers, they are even. So it can be divided by 2. We can always start with a 2. So 2, 6, 12 and 2, 4, 8. Again, still the both the numbers are even. So I can again take a 2. So 2, 3 and 2, 2. Now if I have 1, 3 and 1, 2. Again, 2 can be divided by 2, but 3 cannot. Okay, so what do we do? Do we write 1.5? No. We keep 3 as it is and divide the number which is possible. Once you get a 1, then you stop thinking about that series. Okay, now we are left with 3. Obviously 3 can be divided by 3. So 3 once 3. Again we got a 1, so we stop thinking about this series, right? So to find the LCM, you just simply multiply all these numbers and you will get your answer. So LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Easy. So you can use any of the method that you are comfortable with. And what are the keywords that you have to look for? It can be either least given directly, it can be minimum that hints you, it can be lowest, it can be smallest. We can also think of the words, okay, which has superlative degree. Okay, so least, minimum, lowest, smallest. If you see these kind of words in a question, that means we have to find the least common multiple of the given numbers. I hope all your doubts are cleared regarding LCM. In the next video, we will cover how to find HCF and when to use HCF. For that, click on this link or here. Click on the link and learn how to find HCF and when to find HCF. So that is it for this video. I hope you have understood. If not, watch the video one more time and I'll see you in the next one.